In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a task in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard. You want to go to the bottom left here where it says Tasks and Projects, and then from here you'll see an option to actually create a new task up top. So you want to click on plus create, and then from here you want to give it a task name. For me, I'm just going to type in record a tutorial over here, and description is going to be I have to make this tutorial today, okay, something like that. Then the assignee over here is of course going to be myself, but you can set it as well if you wanna, and the deadline can also be set. You can click on here and set your deadline. I'm gonna make this deadline for example the 3rd of August 7 p.m. You could also add files, checklists, or projects, and when you're done you can simply click on the create button over here and your new task has been created just like this. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.